everybody, and welcome to another hairstyling tutorial. So today I'm going to teach you the fastest and easiest way to style a slick back hairstyle. So let's get into it. So all you're going to need for this look is a Denman brush, regular styling brush, and a styling comb. And for the product that you're going to use, you can either use a light holding pomade or any old regular hair gel. And for the sake of this video today, I'm going to be using the hair gel. So first step that you need to do is make sure your hair is damp. If you try to apply dry, at least for me, the waviness takes over. So step one. Alright, now that your hair is damp, now you can just start combing it back. Typically I use the Denman brush to comb it back, and this will be a great time to measure whether you'll be able to style a slick back or not. If your hair isn't long enough to even in any way go back, it's probably not long enough for you to do a slick back. But bottom line, you're going to make sure you comb it all back. Next, you're going to take your product that you're going to use to style. Now, the secret to a good solid slick back with a lighter holding product is to use a lot. I know it may sound gross, it may sound like you're caking it on there, but the more product you cake on, the more it has to weigh your hair down, the more weight that there will be on your hair. Whereas if you don't use enough, it'll end up popping up. So make sure to use a lot. 3, 4, 5 scoops, however much. Make sure that your hair has a lot of junk in it, and this gives you a really greasy looking, really slick back. Also make sure to apply from the back so you don't have your cowlick sticking up, and make sure you get it on the sides. So that is an absolutely ridiculous amount of hair product in my hair, but it's not going anywhere. So next, take your Denman brush and comb everything back. Get it all nice and uniform together. Make sure you comb straight back, and if you have a cowlick, make sure to adjust for the cowlick. Sometimes you need to give a whoosh and comb it in a certain direction that'll obey your cowlick, but for the most part, comb it all straight back. Now, where the styling comb comes in is if you want to get really, really fine, either here or some thicker comb lines, you go in with your styling comb and give yourself a really structured looking slick back. And where the regular brush comes in is if you want a looser but more structured look, go in with a regular styling brush that has these thick teeth, and it'll loosen it up ever so slightly for you, depending on the look you want to go for. Alright, and that's about it. Here is the final look. As it looks, I think it looks a lot better for folks like me who are, you know, losing your hair, but you still want to look relatively slick. Also, I think it looks great with a beard on your face, as it gives your hair is less attention to your hair and more to your face. So you can look really good with a beard, but that's just my opinion. But anyway, slick backs are easy. They are not hard. They are very simple. But the secret to a good one is the right kind of comb, the right kind of brush, and making sure you use plenty of this junk. I know it may be kind of gross and kind of a lot, but it makes it look good, and nobody else needs to know how much junk you put in your hair. So anyway, there you go. That is the slick back tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and if you'd like to recreate this look with the products and things that I used in this video, feel free to follow the Amazon links in the description. You'll be able to get the same products and other things that I used in this video, and also you'll be supporting me. So if you'd like, you can go ahead and click on those links, and there you go. So thank you very much, and thank you for watching.